This is the new stadium for the Indianapolis Colts. What's interesting about it is it's got a retractable roof on it and a mechanized wall. Most of the retractable roof mechanisms on Major League Baseball and NFL stadiums, Unisystems built, they needed a value for a portfolio of intellectual properties for the Colts Stadium. It consisted of the retractable roof mechanisms. We valued the trade secrets associated with that. We valued the patents associated with moving the mechanized wall. Those were all part of a portfolio of technologies that Unisystems owned.
The field of appraisers or evaluators is a bit limited when it comes to somebody who can look at a big machine and understand that there is embedded software with value. And that's how we were led to Mike Pellegrino and his concept.
What we delivered in this particular project, this is the report for the patents that make that mechanized wall and that retractable roof work. We asked a lot of tough questions of the client for what makes their IP unique. Why do we have to build a retractable roof in the way that they did versus some other means?
We are primarily an engineering and technology company with a flair for taking the work a bit farther than traditional engineers.
Our mechanical engineers are looking at this and saying, well, what happens in this situation, or how are you relieving lateral stresses, or how are you going to deal with the momentum issues? And those are things that general valuation firms really can't offer.
Also, it seemed as though he did more than just render an opinion as to what the value might be. He was able to portray in graphic form much more than what I had previously been exposed to when I saw appraisal reports.
An accounting firm that does IP valuation is not going to know enough to ask about, well, what happens when you're slowing down that many tons of steel and you're trying to not rip the roof off. We understood not just the financial and the accounting aspects of their technology, but we understood the brains of their technology. It's not just enough to have a patent for how to move a big hunk of steel on a roof. It's, well, what's the value of all the trade secrets that go along with making that thing operate in a safe and effective manner?